Hi guys, today we're gonna cook the yummy callos. Here's what we need. 3 tablespoons garlic crushed. 1/2 cup bell pepper cut into strips. 2/3 cup onion red sliced. 1/2 cup garbanzos cooked. 1/2 cup chorizo de Bilbao sliced. 1 pouch tomato paste. 1 tablespoon paprika. And 4 tablespoons olive oil. For the ox tripe, rinse the ox tripe and boil for 3 minutes. Throw the water. Place in a pot, cover with water. Add salt, ginger, peppercorns, and bay leaves. Cover and simmer for 3 to 4 hours, just until tender. Or use pressure cooker and bring to boil for 1 hour. Set aside the broth for later. For additional taste, you may add beef cubes. Let's start the cooking. Heat olive oil in a pan. Add garlic and onion and stir until translucent. Add a chorizo Bilbao and an ox tripe. Stir for about a minute. Add a tomato paste and add a broth. Bring it to simmer for 3 to 5 minutes. Add a bell pepper and garbanzos. Put paprika, sugar, and pepper to taste, and simmer for another 3 minutes. Do you know callos had originated from Madrid, Spain? And it's one of the loved dishes in the Philippines. And voila! Serve while it's hot. Enjoy!